Have you ever gone to the beach, a picnic, camping trip, or even grocery shopping, and realized you have way too many things to carry? Multiple bags, heavy items, and constant trips back and forth can quickly turn a fun outing into a tiring task. But what if there was a simple tool that could carry everything for you in one trip? Today we're taking a look at the Collapsible Wagon Cart, a compact, foldable utility wagon designed to make transporting heavy items incredibly easy. Whether you're heading out for camping, gardening, sports events, or grocery shopping, this wagon is designed to save both your time and energy. Before we continue, if you enjoy discovering useful gadgets and practical products like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to check out this wagon later, you can find the purchase link in the description, and I've also added it in the pinned comment, so it's easy for you to access. Now let's take a closer look at what makes this wagon so useful. One of the first things you'll notice about this wagon is its space-saving foldable design. When fully opened, it provides plenty of space to carry your items, but when you're done using it, it folds down into a very compact size. When folded, it measures roughly 22 by 9.8 by 7.5 inches. What makes it even better is that the wagon itself only weighs around 12 pounds, so it's light enough to carry around without feeling bulky or heavy. This makes it extremely convenient for people who want something portable that doesn't take up too much space when not in use. Another great feature of this wagon is how easy it is to move around. It comes with 360-degree rotating front wheels, which allow you to maneuver the wagon smoothly in different directions. Whether you're moving through a crowded park, pulling it across a parking lot, or navigating uneven ground during a camping trip, these wheels make steering much easier. The wagon also includes an ergonomic extendable handle, which allows you to adjust the handle length according to your comfort. This helps reduce strain on your arms and makes pulling the wagon feel much more natural. Even when the wagon is fully loaded with items, the handle and wheel design allow you to move it with minimal effort. Durability is another important factor when it comes to wagons like this, and this model is built to handle heavy use. It features a heavy-duty steel frame made from 1.2 mm thick steel, which provides strong support for carrying weight. The versatility of this wagon is one of the main reasons why many people find it so useful. Instead of buying separate solutions for different tasks, this wagon can be used in many situations. Gardeners can use it to transport soil, plants, or gardening tools around their yard. Now let's quickly look at some of the advantages and disadvantages of this wagon. Pros: compact foldable design that saves storage space. Lightweight construction at only about 12 pounds. 360-degree rotating front wheels for smooth maneuvering. Adjustable ergonomic handle for comfortable pulling. Wear-resistant PU wheels suitable for multiple terrains. Detachable wheels for easy cleaning and maintenance. Very versatile for camping, shopping, gardening, and events. Cons: may struggle with extremely heavy industrial loads. Fabric storage area may need occasional cleaning after outdoor use. Not designed for transporting very large furniture items. Despite these small limitations, the wagon still provides a lot of value because of its portability, durability, and convenience. Overall, the Collapsible Wagon Cart is a simple but very practical product that can make everyday tasks much easier. If you often find yourself carrying heavy bags, equipment, or supplies, a wagon like this can save a lot of effort and make transportation much more convenient. If you're interested in getting one, make sure to check the product link in the description, and you can also find it in the pinned comment below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video here on Review Nest.